Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the OBD port, also known as Diagnostic Port or Data Link Port, fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. If you connect your scanner, it doesn't work, always check that fuse. It could be really simple fix, guys. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well. Information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where you can get where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. Guys, the OBD port, also known as scanner port or data link fuses relays, we'll show you where you can find these fuses that you need to check, guys. It's one fuse, and we'll talk about the relay in a second as well. But quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And here coming to the passenger side, open the front right door on your Chevy Equinox, come to the footwell compartment. Here on the side of the center console, you see right here, you're going to see one cover. That cover, pry it open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what do we need to check here specifically? Let's explain now. One fuse. Fuse numbers here could be a little bit confusing. We'll come in that row of fuses, even though that's a different fuse. It's still a fuse. That's a J-case fuse. Those are the mini blade fuses, but starting here we have 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuse 36, guys, you see that fuse that we have right here, 36? That's your fuse that you will need to check for the OBD port, data link port, guys, diagnostic port on your Chevy Equinox. What about relay? You don't have a relay. This is known as a relay fuse that you need to check. But if you still have problems with it, you might want to check fuses and relays for the body control module, BCM fuses, relays. We'll have the video on the channel if you need to find where they're located. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.